In today's video, we're going to talk about 6 beginner-friendly ways that you can make money with ChatGPT. So something that is really important to mention before we start is that ChatGPT is very transparent that as an AI tool, it cannot make you money directly. However, you can start utilizing ChatGPT in your business or in a lot of your day-to-day activities to then start making money in other ways. Anyways, let's get started with the first way that you can make money using ChatGPT, which is content creation. So you can use ChatGPT to do things like create scripts for your YouTube videos. You can use it to create blog posts, articles. So in my case, this is probably like the #1 way that I've been utilizing ChatGPT because I am a content creator and I make money from putting content out there and making money off of like ads and sponsorships and things like that. However, there are other ways that you can utilize ChatGPT generated content to make money. If you go to places like Upwork or Fiverr, you will see that there are so many jobs for content creators and bloggers. So maybe it's something that you weren't thinking of doing before because it's very time consuming, but now that you have ChatGPT, maybe now you can provide those services and make some money on the side. So the next way that you can start making money with ChatGPT is through affiliate marketing. So there are a ton of different ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, but probably the most beginner friendly and a straightforward way is to start creating blog content and include affiliate links to different products. So all you need to do is to sign up for the Amazon Associates program, which is the largest affiliate program in the world. And then you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to write something like best travel accessories for 2023. ChatGPT will then generate an entire article / blog post for you. And then all you need to do is to find the products that ChatGPT mentions and then include your affiliate link to those products as well as a picture. If you already have a website or a blog, you can use that, or you can also just start a new blog on WordPress, or you can even use platforms like Medium. The nice things about articles and blog posts is that they can easily get discovered through the power of SEO. So whenever anybody is searching something like the best travel accessories for 2023, there's a high chance that your article is going to come up. So if you love shopping on Amazon, you might as well start making those articles so you can make some additional money to then shop on Amazon. I'm just kidding, you should totally save or invest this money. So ChatGPT is completely free to use. However, if you do want to upgrade to a premium version, you can get access to some of the additional features. You will also be able to use ChatGPT even if demand is really high, which may not seem like a big deal unless you have a deadline to work on and you really need ChatGPT, but too many people are using it at the same time so you can't access that. That obviously happened to me once. So I'm definitely planning on upgrading to ChatGPT Plus because I think it's a great investment.
Hey, you like my new pants?
I'm filming. Your bird dogs arrived?
Yeah.
Let me see. Speaking of good investments, do you know what else is a really great investment? High quality pants. Which leads me to the sponsor of today's video, Bird Dogs. In case you didn't know, Bird Dogs makes high quality pants and shorts that are designed to provide comfort and last a long time. They're made from stretch material that allows you to move freely and perform activities such as, squatting down to pet your dog. All of their products are crafted from breathable material, and many of their shorts feature built-in liners for added convenience. Plus, Bird Dogs make your butt look great. That's always a bonus. So if you're interested, make sure to use my link down below because you will also get a free tumbler with your purchase. Alright, so #3 is customer support. So for those of you who sell goods and services to clients, customer support sometimes can be a pain point. It's hard to find time. Not a lot of us want to / have time to respond to clients. And a lot of times it's like the same questions that you have to answer. That's when ChatGPT can be very useful. So let's say if you are a professional virtual assistant or a professional customer support specialist and you work either full-time or part-time for certain businesses, you can use ChatGPT to generate customer support responses that you can then use to communicate with your clients, which can really allow you to scale your business because you are a lot more efficient and help you to make more money. Okay, so #4 on our list is digital marketing. So this one overlaps slightly with some of the previous things that I mentioned in this video. So you can utilize ChatGPT to create things like email templates, newsletter templates, or like any email marketing content and then sell those services to small businesses. And I know you're probably wondering again, like why would some some businesses like pay to outsource this task. Like, why wouldn't they just do it themselves? However, you would be surprised how many businesses, companies, like individuals would rather pay someone to do these tasks, especially if it's like a smaller business or if it's a business owner that really wants to focus on other areas of the business and work more on like the strategy and other things, or especially people who don't have much experience with digital content. They would still much rather outsource that task. And just from my experience, even the whole process of like getting the content, putting it together, editing it and formatting it and making it pretty for your website is actually a lot of work. So no wonder a lot of people would rather outsource that task and pay someone else to do it. So yeah, you could be that person. Oh, and this is also a friendly reminder that if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button because it really helps small YouTubers grow on this platform. And in general, if you enjoy videos about personal finance, side hustles, entrepreneurship, and investing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I release new videos every week. All right, sorry, let's get back to the video. Next on our list is consulting services. So as a consultant, you can use ChatGPT to generate advice or documents for your clients. So for example, if you are a financial advisor, you can use ChatGPT to create personalized advice for your clients. The same thing applies to like lawyers or like career coaches like myself. So it definitely makes the whole process a lot easier and it makes you a lot more efficient as a consultant. And I know a lot of you are going to be like,
well, isn't it cheating when you use AI to generate certain things and then charge people money for it?
No, I personally don't think so, because even though ChatGPT is very powerful as a tool, I don't think that it fully replaces like human intelligence, like the strategy and certain knowledge. So what I like to use ChatGPT for as a career coach, whenever my clients have like certain questions or they need me to like share certain knowledge with them, I like to kind of, use some keywords and then, or like put like a very quick sentence and then ask ChatGPT to like expand on a lot of that stuff. And it really makes me a lot more efficient and really allows me to take on more clients and make more money because, English is my third language and I really don't like writing. So this is where ChatGPT comes in pretty handy, at least in my case. And then last but not least is online courses and educational content. So I know back in the day, I used to make a lot of content about making money selling online courses. So as you guys know, I do have one course that I've been selling on Udemy, Skillshare, and Skill Success. It has been about like 2 years since I made that one course and it was relatively short. It was like 40 minutes. Until this day, I'm still making money every month selling my course on all these platforms. It is a fully passive income. However, in some of those videos, I did mention that it took me quite a while to put together, like my script and to write the education content. However, if I had ChatGPT back in the day, I feel like I would totally use it to generate my outline and write the course for me and then quickly film it and start making money online. Might actually do this because I've been like postponing this, but I do want to launch another course soon. And if you don't really want to create your own course, I have noticed lately that a lot of companies want to hire content creators or consultants to make things like HR content or like training and development content for, companies and corporations. So this is where you can really utilize ChatGPT to create online courses or educational content that can then make you money online. And that is it for me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to check out Birdog's website because if you do use my link, you do get a free tumbler with your purchase, which right now retails for like $40. And in general, they have very high quality product. They're very comfortable and they can be a really great gift for either you or your man. So make sure to use my link down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Hey, my bird dogs came.
Your what?
My bird dog.
Stop touching yourself.
I'm in third grade all over again.
No, you're supposed to walk in and say like, do you like my new pants? Walk out, walk in again, ignore her.
Kick my leg. Did someone say a good deal?
Okay, I'm filming me. I'm gonna put this in bloopers though.